Hey guys, it's your girl Mocha Mika. It's my first time doing the voiceover, so please bear with me. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I like to do to reboot and recenter as I go through my journey of healing. I like to start off, this is one of the parks I like to go to. I like to be around water. It's a nice little boardwalk, little walking area down the river. It's called The Point where I live at. Anybody who knows about Pittsburgh knows about The Point. There's our lovely stadium. Get a little close up. I like to journal and drink some coffee. So let's get started, guys. But first, I gotta take a minute and suck up the sun and enjoy this beautiful sun and fresh air before I journal. So let's get to journaling. I love sitting on the riverbank and watching all the cool things, early morning that goes on down the river and, doing their little daily thing that they need to do. Just love watching the things, that goes along the river. There was some ducks that was floating down the river in the trail, but I didn't capture it. I'm so mad I didn't. I got some stuff for y'all. Here you go. Enjoy. Now I'm going to take a nice little walk and enjoy the sun and the water around me and the greenery around me. Beautiful little walking area. There's benches. Beautiful greenery. Love being here early in the morning. Nobody here hardly. Just me, the sun, and nature. And a couple people. Love it. It's so peaceful. Another little spot I found. Didn't know about. I've been going to this park since I was a kid. I didn't know about this little park. A little connection to get you across the river to the other side. Just a little something I discovered. New to me, probably old to some others. But yeah, cute little hidden trail. Never seen an albino squirrel. This was so cool to me. This is what I love about nature, just watching nature and being out in the grass. Look at this. Look like he's coming after me. Oh, hell no. I'm out. Gotta do some grounding as well. Little workout. Gotta get that workout in. Now it's time to make some Sunday dinner. Today's Sunday, by the way, in case you didn't know. Gonna make some smothered chicken, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. Here's my seasonings. So I like to start off by pan frying my wings, gently, just to give it a nice little crisp. So while I'm waiting for those to get done frying, the chicken to get done getting this crisp, I'm cutting up my onions and green peppers. Very small because my girls don't like onions and green peppers as much in their gravy. This is for my gravy. As y'all see, I'm getting a nice little share on it, nice little crisp. And you don't cook it all the way through, just lightly, just enough to get a nice little char on the outsides. It's my last batch, the last little part of my wings. I couldn't fit them all in one pan, so I had to, separate it. So this is the last of the batch. Getting pan fried and shared and crisped. Now it's time for me to make my gravy. Of course, with the leftover goodness and seasonings in the pan, you put your green peppers and onions in there and let it get a nice little share. Get it nice and tenderized until they're kind of transparent a little bit. Then I like to add my seasoning. I usually use flour, but today I'm cheating a little bit and using the chicken flavored powder that I had because I didn't have no flour. So I had to use the chicken flavoring pack gravy. So I had to cheat a little bit. Normally I just do my flour and my seasonings and all that stuff with the green peppers and everything. But it's okay. It's okay. It's going to be still delish. So you mix that all up. Excuse my camera angle. Oh my gosh. It's kind of hard, recording and cooking at the same time. using one hand to record, you know, the whole dime. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, mix it around and let it sit there and simmer for a little bit. As you see, this is what it looks like after a simmer for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my water or chicken broth. I used water at first because I thought I didn't have any chicken broth. Later found out that I had a little bit in here. So I later added a little bit of my chicken broth as well. And you mix it and mix it and mix it and blend it up until it's, you know, nice and thick, and let it simmer. As you see, it's starting to thicken up. It's getting this little simmer on, and it's working on thickening. Seasoning it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Put a little bit too much pepper, but it's okay. I like to use my pink Malaysian salt. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure you get all that goodness all mixed up in there from the pan, the bottom of the pan, from when the chicken was, you know, frying in the pan and all that stuff. Get that all up mixed in there. And mix, mix, mix. Then I'm gonna let it sit and simmer and get thick. Put my oven on 350 so I can throw my gravy on my chicken. Here it goes, nice and thick. As you see, it has thickened up. I felt like I needed a little bit more, so before I threw it on my chicken, I added a little bit of, like I said, chicken broth, a little bit more chicken broth when I found out I had some. And plus, I needed some more gravy. So, as you see, I have more than that. Now I'm pouring it on the chicken before I throw it in the oven and let it simmer and cook some more. I like to cook without the lid on because I like a little bit of a crisp. I don't like it to be too soggy. And, you know, I like a little bit of a crisp. So here we go. That's what it looks like before I throw it in the oven. Woohoo! Can't wait. Excuse my oven. I have to clean it, but it's good for the most part. Okay, now we're going to work on the mashed potatoes. Got my milk and my butter. Then I throw in my mashed potato mix. I cheated on the mashed potatoes as well. I used the mashed potato mix. It was one of them days. It was, you know, I was running short on time. But here we go. This is my broccoli, nice and steamed. Now the chicken is done. It's been about an hour or two, about a couple hours, about 2.5, maybe 3 hours actually. And here's my chicken. Here's everything, y'all. Ooh, it's so hot. I can't wait to eat it. Oh, girl, what is wrong with you? It's hot. So, yeah, I'm about to finish this, y'all. Love y'all.